Batman. Hello, Talentless Maker here, and today's video is something a little bit different. So I'm going to be doing 3 quick builds, or paint jobs, on things that have been on my desk for a while and just really haven't gotten around to them. First one, as you might have seen in the introduction, is Batman, and it's my Batman relief. It's really good, lovely little print. So I'm going to do that, paint that in black, of course. Do some highlighting, and with that I've got some bat symbols. I'm going to paint these up. I've got 3 of them, so I'm going to do 3 different design aesthetics and decide which one's the best. That's going to be a wall hang, probably up here somewhere so you can see it on the videos. I don't know. Second thing that's been on my desk for a while, you might have seen this in the background of some of the videos, is this. It's a head printed off. It's great. There's loads of holes. There's a condition where people are scared of holes and they're not going to like that. I'll research it and put my name somewhere over here or down there or somewhere. Yeah, so that's it. So with this, I'm gonna go in with the metallic acrylic pens and just do a nice colour scheme. Give it a shot of high gloss clear coat, and that'll be that one. And the third one is something I started, which is my stand for my Facehugger build, the compilation video I put up a few days ago. I started this, just never got around to finishing it. Other things got in the way. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a carbon fibre effect on this, similar to what I did on the handle of the Officer K's blaster. And that's going to be pretty cool. I've already got the logo done, so I'm just going to mask that off, give it a shot of black, using a lot of black paint, and get that sorted. So that's 3 quick builds, paint jobs. Yeah, so we'll get that done. So let's get to it. there we have it. 3 quick paint jobs to start the week. And they've turned out really well. So first up was Batman. That's come on really good. So it was Blast of Matte Black. Picked out the highlights in silver. So it comes out really good. And then dry brushed the symbol. One thing I've noticed just now is, although I measured it, I stuck the symbol on off center. Can you just see that? I did measure it. Yeah, the talentlessness is shining through. Never mind, it still looks awesome. That's brilliant. Second piece, the head. Yeah, really pleased with that. Looks really good. It's a bit of fun. Almost Joker-like. Yeah, Batman and the Joker. Maybe I should have done that paint job. I can print another one off and do that. Yeah, might do that, in fact. So that's come out really well. A bit of fun. Acrylic paint pens and several coats of high gloss lacquer. It's come up. Looks really good. Looks really good under the lights. And third up is the stand for the Facehugger. It's come out really well as well. I was going for carbon fibre effect. It has come out really well. You can see on the back there and on the top of the nameplate. Not so well in other areas, but the paint job's really good. The kind of the specular overspray of the silver has given it a really good sheen, along with the coats of high gloss lacquer, and that's made it really well. Looks really good. Really happy for that. Just in time for the release of Alien Earth tomorrow in the UK at the time of filming. Looking forward to that. There we go. Excellent. So, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit the bell icon, and subscribe. Share. Sharing is caring. And whatever you do, make sure that you're happy. So now, as ever, it's time for the money shot.